TULIMUKUJAGUZA emyaka nsanvu mwetaano egya centuries and Namilyango Girls Boarding Primary School. Today is just a joyous day, celebrating with jubilation. 75 years of living, of centuries, Namilyango girls. It is a day, the current and old girls of this mighty institution. Centuries has moved, centuries has lived, centuries has